Attorney Abo Himpisaw. Okay. Okay. Nakita ninyo ha. Lahos ha, lahos. Okay. There you are. You can see the good driving skills or the excellent driving skills of our very dear off-roaders, especially this one, Attorney Abo Himpisaw from Davao, or from the four-wheelers of Davao. Okay, so this is it. Maneuvering this terrain. Look at this. Tanawan ninyo mga higala kung saan nila lubag-lubag ng ilang manobrila para bulusot sila. Basta-basta. Yeah, look at that. Here they are. Okay, you can see them now. Okay, very good. Palakpak na yung higala. Okay, maayo good, no? Usa ka talento sa kini nga masigar muhod nga gipakita kanato gikan sa four-wheelers of Davao, particularly from Attorney Abo Himpisaw. Okay? Agay ko no, agay. Matod paninday. Agay. Ni kagay kay. Okay. So very good. Remember the time to beat is from Dondon Ramos. Okay. I don't know with the time right now. Nawala si parehain ni sa ako eh. Well, okay oras. Okay, anyway. But we are still making a tabulation from our marshals na dito sa field, together with our friend Cloyd and Gabs right behind me up here on the official table for the Waig Rock Rolling Off-Road Competition. Okay, once again we would like to thank the official party station, Mrs. Tricia Marquez of Radyo Natin 106.9 FM.
WCSR Trading, SB Marketing, and Delta Sigma Road Fraternity. Witness the parade of fun and gorgeous ladies there.
Okay, palihog ko sa gapatong og lamisa, palihog basi mabuwag atong lamisa ha. Hangyo lang ko kinasing-kasing gamay lang nga babor. Ayon niyo tugtungi ang lamisa. Okay, this is Attorney Abo Himpisaw from the four-wheelers of Davao. Okay, makita na to iyang skills karon pag-abot dito sa swimming pool. Amag ko yung swimming pool kay Waig baya, Waig Crystal Spring Resort. Nang ginay swimming pool. Napo yung swimming pool para sa off-road. Okay, kanang gitawag nila 5-in-1. Okay, nanay sagol nga San Miguel Beer. Kanang tubig na mo diya, isagula na og San Miguel Beer. Okay. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, that's incredible. Kung sa mga Amerikano pa, awesome. In English po tagamay. Okay, next will be Yan Yan Vanilag. Please prepare now. Yan Yan Vanilag and Lloyd Vanilag, prepare now. Okay, let's Attorney Abo Himpisaw.